This video is about hypothesis test for the mean mu. Z-tests and t-tests are used to determine whether there is a significant difference between means, proportions, or other statistical measures, either between groups or compared to a known value. For z-test, you just need to remember when population standard deviation sigma is known, we got to use z-test. If sigma is unknown, we will use t-test. Example for z-test: testing if the average SAT score differs from national average with the known standard deviation sigma. If the sigma is unknown, we got to use t-test. Two types of data will be given from a normal distribution. A complete sample of data, we got to use a spreadsheet to work out sample mean, unbiased estimate of the population standard deviation S sub n-1. Sometimes you are only given the statistics like sample mean. Unbiased estimate of sigma S sub n-1. Conclusion for hypothesis testing. Use this to remember. Please reject HO. P-value less than significance level, alpha, reject HO. Rewrite H1 at the given significance level. When p-value greater than significance level alpha, fail to reject HO. Rewrite HO at the given significance level. For a sample n equals 60 data, we know that x bar equals 40 and S sub x, which is S sub n-1, unbiased estimate of sigma equals 3. We know that the standard deviation of the population sigma equals 2.7. We use this to decide we got to use z-test. There is a claim that mu equals 38.5. Equal sign means this is HO. Conduct a test for this claim. Claim is dealing with mean. We got to use z-test at 5% significance level. We will use 3 steps. First step, write down H1, HO. HO is always dealing with equal sign. H1, mu is not equal to 38.5. Second step, we will work out p-value by calculator. Use a scratch pad, menu 15 to clear the history. Menu 6. 7. Stat tests. Z-test. We are given stats, not data. Mu 0 equals 38.5. sigma 2.7, x bar 40, n is 60. We are testing H1, mu is not equal to 38.5. Then enter. We got p-value equals 0.000017. This p-value is not given in 3 sig figures. So click on this variable. Go to stat p-value. Enter. Then go up. Enter. We got 1.68 times 10 to the negative 5th power, or 0.0000168. Third step, we can draw the conclusion. Since p-value 1.68 times 10 to the negative 5th power, alpha is 0.05. It's less than 0.05. Please reject HO. We reject HO. Then rewrite H1 at the given significance level. From the given information, we are testing this claim. This claim is HO, so we reject this claim. Enough evidence to reject the claim that mu equals 38.5 at 5% significance level. Normally, for HO, we will use reject or fail to reject. For H1, we will use support or do not support. Or for H1, you can use suggest. Do not suggest, based on which one is the claim. Let's go to B. For a sample of n equals 25 data, we know that x bar equals 40, s sub n minus 1 equals 3. There is a claim that mu less than 39. Conduct a test for this claim at 5% significance level. Alpha equals 0.05. HO, mu equals 39. H1, mu less than 39. This is our claim. We will use a calculator to work out p-value. Menu 15 to clear the history. Menu, go to 6. Go to 7. This time we got to use the t-test because the population standard deviation is not given. We are given stats. 39 for mu 0, x bar 40, s sub n minus 1, 3, n equals 25. H1, mu less than 39. Then enter. We got p-value 0.946. Let's draw the conclusion. Since 0.946, alpha is 0.05. So p-value greater than alpha. Fail to reject HO. Use please reject HO to remember this rule. P stands for p-value. L stands for less than. S is significance level alpha. Then reject HO. Otherwise, fail to reject HO. How to write down the conclusion? You need to check which one is the claim. If claim with the check, you will write down enough evidence to suggest that. If your claim with a cross, write down not enough evidence to suggest that. In this question, from the given information, there is a claim that mu less than 39. So H1 is the claim. Fail to reject HO means this is good, this is bad. So your conclusion will be not enough evidence to suggest that mu less than 39.